Success is a choice. Hey, it's Kevin Amos, Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. Hey, you found us here on Facebook, you found us here on YouTube. Please help us out. We're building a channel so we can help more real estate investors. Hit like, hit subscribe, leave me some comments. I'm dying to hear what you have to say about this topic. I want to go over 5 life hacks of the wealthy. So what do the wealthy do? Number 1, change your playlist. When you're driving in the car, you're going down the road, what are you listening to? Is it the music, or are you listening to the Real Estate Educators podcast? You want to be listening to things that are going to help you be successful. Trading time for money. Oh my gosh, you guys, you cannot be doing this. Don't trade time for money. What you need to do is start trading value for money. So if you could add value to a partnership, add value to a deal, add value to a project, you can get paid a lot more. Or what if you don't even trade it for money? Trade value for money? What if you trade value for equity and you can start getting into some long-term assets to really start generating wealth? Okay, self-promotion. This is so hard for me, and I know it's hard for a lot of other people too. It's hard to promote your own self, especially going to networking events, but you're not gonna be successful if you don't tell people what you do for a living. So if you're a real estate investor, you're a wholesaler, you're a fix and flipper, you're looking for a project, let people know what you're doing. And if you're out there looking for people and networking, find yourself a mentor. Another life hack. Number 4, find yourself a mentor. Every successful investor I know has a coach or a mentor. So if you're not doing that, look, Michael Jordan has a coach, right? Best basketball player to ever live. He had a coach. So go out there and find yourself a coach or find yourself a mentor. We need to be accountable. Be accountable for your own success. Look, success is a choice. You get to get up every day and choose to do the things that wealthy and successful people do or not. So what choice are you going to make? Hopefully these 5 hacks help you out. Hopefully you check us out at pinefinancialgroup.com.